Want to know how to upload files into Microsoft 365 or OneDrive? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your m365.cloud.microsoft and you should be right here under this interface. And on the top left side, you should be seeing this navigation or the menu. You can just simply extend that to open it up. And now once you've opened it up, you can just simply see sorts right here. And once you have selected sorts, you should be seeing upload. Just press like that, upload. And now once you have selected upload, here you can see your computer's file explorer should open up. So you can just simply browse through files, downloads, documents, and much more. And then you can just simply select anything. So if I select this file right here, it should automatically upload as you can see right here, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.